So a workplace should work for you, and according to me, Godrej is a place which provides the right infrastructure, accessibility, and a vibrant culture and environment for employees to work in the campus.
So far I would say it's been wonderful. So one thing that I like about Godrej team overall is the professionalism. Taking a decision to lease this facility from that time until like the past so many years that we have been here, I think they are customer centric. That really helps a lot to manage our business seamlessly.
This has been a very long and fruitful relation for us in terms of our association, and Godrej has been there whenever we required them as a client with any of our requirement, and I'm pretty sure with this we'll look forward to another decade of experience with Godrej.
I think the Godrej Business District offers a wonderful environment from an infrastructure and facilities perspective, and also connectivity. I think it's so vibrant here, the green spaces, the other amenities that they provide. I think it's wonderful to be here. We've had a great run here from 2001 till now, and I hope we continue that.